Good morning, grade ones. We're going to do whiteboards and word game today. So for whiteboards, you're going to need 2 lines. Pretty big lines because we're spelling whole words on the lines, okay? So more than one letter is going to go on each line. And we're doing syllables. So we've done this in the yellow book of fun before where you clap out syllables. Now, words have chunks to them. When you say words that are bigger, they tend to kind of swoop. They have some chunks to them. Like if I'm saying running, you can see how that I'm saying it in 2 chunks. I'm saying run-ing. Now I don't say it like that because I'm not a robot. I'm not saying I am running. But words kind of have this flow to them and these chunks to them. Those chunks are syllables. Okay? This part you don't need to know, but I'll explain why words are broken up where they are. So if I am using the word running, I'll just spell it quickly here. Every time there's a vowel sound, that's going to be a new chunk of a syllable. So we have run, okay, because we have that and then ing, we have I. And that's how it gets broken up, is those 2 vowel chunks are our 2 syllables. Okay, and that's with any word. So like water, when we clap it out, we're going to go water. Again, it's because it has, not that it has 2 vowels, it has 2 vowel sounds. Okay, so we have the ah sound with our A, so we have what, and then So each time that there's that new vowel sound, that's going to be our new chunk. Now, like I said, you don't need to necessarily know that, but you just need to know how to clap out the 2 or 3 or whatever, to clap out the syllables, and I'm just explaining how. So if we have the word watermelon, that's going to be way more. Let's try to clap it out. Watermelon. We sound like robots when we do this, I think. But it's just interesting to me how the syllables work, because it is, like I said, broken up by those vowel sounds. So we have what, and then mel, on. And you can see there's 1 vowel sound in each part. So we have ah, ah. So there's 4 syllables. I think that's pretty interesting. So we're not going to do huge words like this. We're going to do, we're going to start it off really easy with just ing words. So if the word is walking, we would clap it out. We'd go walking. And then on your whiteboard, you would have to split it up like this. And I'll show you in our 2 chunks. So we have walk-ing. That sort of makes sense. This is a little bit trickier stuff that we're learning, so if it's not like 100% you know it, that's okay. I'm just telling it to you and we'll do it. Okay, so you need your whiteboard, and your first word is playing, so I want you to clap it first. Playing. I want to hear you clapping. Playing. Now you need to spell it on your whiteboard. Playing. Here we go. So we have play on one side, ing on the other. Why do we need to know syllables too? Are you wondering that? It's much easier to spell words when you break it up. So I'm sure you can spell play, it was a sight word, and then you add ing. It helps us spell words in smaller chunks. It's just like when I say like punch out the sounds when you don't know a word. When I'm saying punch out the sounds, you're kind of punching out those syllables. Interesting. Your next word is snowing. Clap it out. Snowing. Think about what poster says, oh. Oh, my toe is so sore. That give you a hint? I'm going to show you the answer, so if you're not ready, you should pause it. Snowing. Or OW is saying oh. Snowing. Next word, raining. Clap it out. Raining. Raining. Think about Helga the Hippo to help you with the word rain. I'm gonna show you, so if you're not ready, pause. Raining. Did you guys get the AI to make that long A sound? Raining. And our last one is jumping. Clap it out. Jumping. Jumping. Spell jumping. Jumping. Awesome. So erase your boards, and we are going to do that game I like to call Word Twister. So on a piece of paper or on your whiteboard, you need to write these letters at the top. So pause the video here so you can copy these letters. Okay, to play Word Twister, we've done this before. I'm going to put, I don't remember how many minutes I put. We're just going to put 2 minutes. I think I used to put 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but we're going to do 2 minutes on the clock. As many words as you can make. Okay, so just some reminders. Rhyming words are such a good idea. So rhyming means we have the beginning sound changing and our ending chunk staying the same. So I already see the word it, so I'm going to write, I haven't started yet. We haven't started. I'm just giving you hints. So now I have it. Now I'm going to put consonants at the front. So now I'm going to spell lit. Then I'm going to say dit. Not a word. Sit. Okay, so now I'll spell sit. Okay. Then I might try an AD. So I'm going to go sad. Then I'm changing my consonant. So sad, lad. Okay. So I'm going like that. Other things to watch for are things like, can you make a magic E? Okay. Can I spell, so I have date. Can I change it and rhyme it late? Okay, so my magic E words. Then I look for things like A and I together. Can I spell anything with an AI sound in the middle? Okay, so those are just some hints. I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock. I'm going to do my best to spell as many words as I can. Ready? 3, 2, 1, right. One minute left, so halfway. 20 seconds. Time's up. Count them up. I got 17 words. Send me yours. See if you beat me.